equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. First, make sure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged from a charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button firmly to detach the battery from the main body. If you find it difficult, don't hesitate to use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to clean the area where the battery sits. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure a good connection when you install the new battery. Now, take your new Dyson V8 battery and align it with the connectors in the vacuum. Slide it into place until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. If you're unsure about the battery type or need assistance, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation to help you choose the right one. After the new battery is in place, it's time to secure it. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the screws that hold the battery in position. Make sure they are snug, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the battery or the vacuum. Once the screws are tightened, give the vacuum a quick inspection. Check for any loose parts or debris that may have accumulated during the process. If everything looks good, you can now plug your Dyson V8 back into the charger. Before you start using your vacuum again, it's a good idea to let the new battery charge fully. This will help to maximize its lifespan and performance. If you need a quote before repair or have any questions about your Dyson, feel free to reach out to us. We are here to help with no calls, no travel required. Finally, once the battery is charged, your Dyson V8 is ready to go. Enjoy the powerful suction and efficiency that comes with a fresh battery. Remember, regular maintenance and timely battery changes can extend the life of your vacuum, so keep an eye on its performance. If you ever need assistance, don't forget we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier than ever to keep your Dyson in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.